The advanced BLIS probiotic that we add to the BK18 has a unique heritage. It was developed in New Zealand at the University of Otago Medical School. Several years ago, a professor of microbiology, Professor John Tagg, discovered that school children with a certain type of bacteria in their mouths and oral cavities seem to have far less incidence of coughs and colds and other respiratory illnesses than children that didn't have that particular form of bacteria. What John found that was unique to these children was they all contained a bacteria that produced a certain type of defense protein called a BLIS. BLIS is actually an acronym. It stands for bacteriocin-like inhibitory substance. And what we've found is that certain organisms, certain beneficial bugs in our bodies, produce a defense compound or a protein called BLIS that help kill and ward off other invading species. And in the mouth, what these advanced BLIS probiotics do is that they produce this little bioactive peptide in the presence of an invader or other biological threat. The sorts of bacteria that would cause strep sore throat, for example, or glue or other upper respiratory tract infections. When a BLIS probiotic discovers and detects the presence of these invading bacteria, it secretes this particular biologically active peptide and kills them dead. And that's why children, as Professor John Tagg discovered 20 years ago, who had that particular organism in their mouths, were so immune to these common colds and upper respiratory tract infections that he developed an entire industry and probiotic business around that. And that is the same organism that currently powers our BK18.